This is a video demonstration for a 16-channel Ultimate Series DVR, and I'm going to be showing you what comes inside the box. On this kind of DVRs, or pretty much all of our DVRs, you will see an accessory box. It will come with the remote control for you to access the GUI interface. It will also come with all of the SATA cables and screws and power cables, brackets for your DVD burner, and also a bracket for you to mount this unit on a rack mount, because all of our EL or Elite series and Ultimate series, or the full-size DVRs, they are capable of being mounted on a rack mount. So you will see all of those mounts in there, also the power connection. You will find an Ethernet cable for you to connect this to your router. You can access it anywhere. Also, you will see a pigtail that will extend your audio inputs. All of our this type of DVRs they have 4 audio inputs on the board. So you will see when you flip the unit, you will see on the back only 4 inputs for the audio. So here you will use this for you to connect it to or to extend the audio inputs. It will come with optical mouse for you to access the GUI interface. And also, it will come with instructional videos and the user's manuals and tools that you can use it for you to configure the DVR. Let's take the unit out. This unit comes very well packed, so they don't get scratched. And they look exactly the same as our EL series DVR. If you look at the front panel, you will be familiarized with it. So in the front panel, you will find a USB connection for you to put your flash drive, for you to do backups, or an external drive, a USB external drive, or the mouse for you to control the GUI interface. In this compartment, you will put your DVD burner. You will see some indicator lights here. On and off button, IR receiver. Here with this button, this is a jog. Here you will change the layout of the view of the cameras on the screen. Also, these buttons right here, you will be able to access the GUI interface as well. You will find other buttons here to access more features of the GUI interface. And here it has the back of the DVR. It looks exactly the same as our Elite series, but the only difference is that this DVR is actually it's more powerful than the EL series. This is a little bit more robust. It's capable of recording the 16 channels, for example, is capable of recording D1 at 30 frames per second on all of the channels. So you will see it will have 16 channel video inputs, 16 loop outs inputs. So here on the loop outs, you can basically run a BNC cable to a monitor or a TV, and then you will be able to loop that particular channel. Here, as I said before, the 4 audio inputs, and this is the connection where you connect the pigtail so you can extend it up to 16. This DVR is capable of recording 16 audio simultaneously. Also, you will see your video out, your HDMI, and your VGA. This type of DVR is the Ultimate Series DVR. It's capable of handling 3 monitors at the same time, simultaneously, using the video out, the BNC video out, HDMI, and VGA. Also, the HDMI will carry audio. If you're recording audio on your DVR, you have an HDMI output right there that you can run your cable up your TV and listen to the audio by double-clicking that particular channel where you have audio and put it on full screen, and you will be able to listen to the audio as well. Also, you will see an audio out, a mic in, and a mic out. You will see all of your, this green terminal connections here are your alarm inputs and outputs. Here you will see the RS45 labeled A and B. A is positive, B is negative. Here you can connect all your PTZ cameras and being controlled by. Also, you will see the RJ45 connection for you to connect it to your router. RS232, and eSATA connection, and another USB connections for you to connect. You can probably put a external drive or a USB external drive so you can do backups through it. eSATA as well, you can connect extra drives so you can do backups through it. And this unit is very powerful. As I said before, it's capable of recording D1 at 30 frames per second on all of the channels. All of our Ultimate DVRs record at D1 at 30 frames per second on all of the channels. Only the Ultimate Series DVR is capable of doing this, and also the hybrid DVR. And offer all of the features that all of our DVRs have, such as web access through Internet Explorer, Mac computers. If you're using PSS, you can install it on your Mac and you can access this type of DVR. And also you will see our IDMSS software. It's capable of remote into the unit and view live stream video on your phone. Androids, iPhones, iPads, Blackberries, etc. As I said, this is a very powerful unit and I hope you like it. I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.